Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
No market.
Make sure we're recording all the way. Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy Dude Mungus. Today, I got my boy Hitman with me again. So we're finally going to get out today for a real ride. So far, every time we've been out, we've had other obligations because like I told you, we're family men first. But today, we're going to hit the red top brushy loop. And then we're also going to go see a friend of Hitman's that has not seen his bike. But something also today, we're testing out a new camera setup, a new angle for my 360 camera. Because since I've recently upgraded, let me show you guys. I recently upgraded to the Works competition integrated tail light. Because before I had the NHRC, NRC turn signals. But now I have the fully integrated. Let me put the blinker on so y'all can see real quick. So now everything is fully integrated. So I had to really switch up my camera mount because the 360 camera actually mounted to the previous turn signals. But anyway, we're testing out this new camera angle. We're going to see how it goes. But anyway, man, y'all keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, Deadshot. Dude Mungus.
No market.
Oh, yeah. It's not a cold start, but oh my goodness, this Van Diemen. Look, it just shook my gloves off. Now that's torque. It promises things reminds me of like an old muscle car. But all right, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. We about to get with it. Also, with the miles we're doing today, I should cross over 33,000 miles, or at least I should hit 33,000 miles. Also, man, I know I keep there's a lot of stuff going on, but Deadshot, I slightly adjusted the setup from Tennessee. There were some things that happened in Tennessee. I was like, okay, let me make a little bit of adjustments here and there, and I think it's going to turn out to be positive. So we're going to test that out today too. We're going to do a test hit. I'm going to let Hitman go first, and then I'll see if I can catch him. That's the only way that's going to put me in try-hard mode. Because you know, you do test hits by yourself, you be thinking like, oh, I got this together. And then you go race somebody, you like, crap, I ain't got this together.
That bike.
Currently, I have the tag on the inside of my jacket right now.
Cool.
Is it okay to grab it?
Okay. Right ahead. Let me take a look at that. Good looking bike, man. Good looking bike, man. Good looking bike, man.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Definitely unique. Does the bike come back to you?
Yes, it does.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I said they're right there.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's fine. Yes, sir. I'm rolling out the test again. It's like, I don't feel him anymore. I was like, let me look back, didn't see nothing. I was like, yep, time to turn around. Before we even passed him, yeah, it looked like
perfect.
Ah, red top is so dang beautiful. Love it up here. Going over the bridge. It's freaking awesome. All right, dude and dudettes, we are back. Seems like we've been having some technical difficulties, but I think I figured out the issue. I will see if this next part goes right. If this next part goes right, I will come back and let you guys know what I found. Hitman is going to jump on Deadshot because I have a slightly new setup. I lowered the rear end just a little bit more from my trip in Tennessee. I felt like it needed just a little adjustment, so I'm gonna let him ride Deadshot so I can get a feel for how it visually looks rolling down the road, and then I get to jump on his bike, which I'm never mad about jumping on a new bike. Let me let you guys hear this thing. The Competition Works exhaust. Fun fact, I didn't know they actually make tail light units. This company that made this exhaust made my tail light unit that I have on Deadshot. Cowies are just so smooth, bro. A little rev. It just shot flames. It ain't even different. I love this freaking bike. Goodness gracious. Ah, yes. Let's look at, y'all always see me on the bike. Let's look at Hitman when he started. Let's see how that sounds. Smooth. I see both of these gonna be Spitfires today. That's just how they feeling today. Okay, look at that tail light. That tail light looks so good. So you're finally gonna see what the tail light looks like. Hey man, I gotta. He told me don't kill his clutch. Every time I get on the bike, I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Okay, I got this. Oh my gosh, the position. These pegs feel so much higher than Deadshot's. Looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Let's switch sides. Look at that tail light looking amazing. Got that Motul slushing around. Heck yeah. Hey, when we get around here, you second. I'm gonna go first. We gonna test it out. Let's see how it goes. Over there. Okay, ready? Was he skywalking me? I kind of figured. So Hitman is not used to Deadshot, so I'm gonna let him get used to Deadshot again. We'll try it again. It came up in third? Oh wow! Oh, I shouldn't let him go! I shouldn't have let him go! I shouldn't have let him go! Yo, this bike is this bike is about to be a beast! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is about to be stupid. Woo, this is about to be stupid. But holy crap, man. Holy crap. I mean, time out. Deadshot just, bro, when you look at Scrum Diddly, you see Deadshot. Now that's the setup with Deadshot with a heavier rider. So with me, the back end to be raised just a little bit because I don't weigh that much. But that's what's up though. That looks good. I'll see if I can get him to hit the blinker. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, very nice. Very nice. Now tap the brake. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Very clear. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Yeah. This bike is about to be a beast. Enjoy your wheel while you can, Deadshot. It is game over. And also, yeah, so this is the new camera angle rolling down the road as well. So that's what it'll look like. Make sure we're still recording all the way. So yeah, that's what it'll look like rolling down the road. Yeah, man, I'm happy with that bike. I cannot believe I actually was considering selling that bike. That was me tripping. I'm sorry, Deadshot, that even was a consideration. So what? I gotta get used to this. Oh yeah. So small, I'm scared to go right. That last run, I let you go and I was like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I didn't go right up to the top third. Really? Yeah. Holy crap, man. Look at the carbon in the sunlight. Man, it looks good. Dude Mungus. That's right. Look at that Motul 7100 sloshing around. That red goodness. I know a lot of people are like 300V. Your boy's on 7100 because I daily ride. That 7100, the protection on the 7100 is very hard to beat. I know the 300V is what considered the top of the line, but honestly, the 7100 is a better protection against wear for everyday driving. Now this is a test that I've seen. It's on you. You do what you want to do. I'm just saying, I'm rocking with 7100 all day. Now if I have a race bike, this bike is designed to do smackdowns only. I race, I probably will go 300V. But for daily riding, 7100 is where you at, bro. Trust me. Motorcycle hat. Yeah. Man, I can't even lie. Whatever bike I get, I'm probably legit try to make it feel as similar or as close to Deadshot as possible, especially ergonomically. Because as much as I am enjoying this bike, these footage do seem high. Look at these beautiful colors, man. I freaking love fall, man. These colors are amazing. Come on, get it out! Very nice. Nice, heck yeah. Did it come up again? Dang! Stay down, Deadshot. Stay down. Hey, I'm gonna get this thing figured out for first. Come on, man. Kawasaki ZX, yeah, 1000 ZX10. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Dag it, the traffic man. Huh? I said, dag it, the traffic man. I was like, yeah, so much for that idea. I was like, holy crap. About to get the Yamaha versus the ZX10. Both of them have slip-on exhaust. And otherwise, stop. Got my man D-Boy out here. And D out here in a minute. You know, life, we get busy getting it up. I do not have basketballs to do that at all. Dude didn't do that. The cow got that one. Well, anyway, I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy for this episode. That is it. We out this piece, man. Keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. It's one shot, dead shot. DudeMungus. Let's go, Dudette. 33,000. Got that DudeMungus 33,000. Let's go. And this bike is just as strong as it's ever been, bro. It is.